What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate A5 devices and A6 devices running iOS 5 and iOS 6. So the benefits of activating your iOS 5 and iOS 6 devices are that you will not be stuck on the unable to activate or the setup screen. The App Store works, you can log in into your Apple ID and install AppSync and side loading is possible. This is also very useful for devices that have a 9900 IMEI and can't activate. So let's get straight into the video. You will need three things for this tutorial. The first one is Legacy iOS Kit, the second one is iOS 5.6 activation from iPhone 4S, and the third one is FileZilla. So let me show you how to get everything set up. So for Legacy iOS Kit you want to click on code and download zip. I already have it downloaded so I'm going to stop, but you will have a folder on your desktop. Next up we need to download iOS 5.6 activation, so click on code and download zip, drag and drop it to your desktop. And FileZilla, click on download client, download, and just download free and drag and drop it to your applications folder right here. There we go. Note that this requires an Arduino Uno or Pi Pico. I have made plenty of tutorials on how to set it up and I will leave them on the top of the screen or in the description. So the first thing you want to do is connect your iDevice to your computer. There we go, and you need to enter DFU mode. So hold both power and home for 10 seconds until the screen goes black, then wait 2 seconds, release power and keep holding home until Finder opens. There we go, and now we need to put our device into pwnDFU mode using our Arduino. Let me connect. Open the Checkmate A5 INO, click on the X. Do not install any libraries because this will break the exploit. An important thing you want to do is change your CPID version accordingly. Hold the Alt and click on the Apple logo and go to System Information. As you can see, I am holding it. And you want to go to USB where you see Apple Mobile Device DFU mode. Here is your CPID and you want to change this correspondingly and make sure the port is selected and click on upload. There we go, and now I am going to unplug it from my computer and plug it into the Arduino and watch the LED. It should blink 3 times. And now it should be solid. There we go. I can disconnect and plug it into the computer. There we go, and now close Finder and minimize your Arduino. Open terminal, open Legacy iOS Kit and drag and drop restore.sh and click enter. There we go. We need to go to useful utilities and go to SSH RAM disk and click enter. Just click enter. This will select the automatic RAM disk. Connect to SSH, and now we need to type mount.sh and click enter. If you are using CoolBooter, make sure that you use this command shown on screen to mount the CoolBooter partition. The rest of the process will be the same. Perfect, mounted both MNT1 and MNT2, and now we can open FileZilla and click open. Click OK and OK, and now we need to connect. Type in sftp //127.0.0.1. The username is root, the password is alpine, the port is 6414. Click quick connect and click OK and allow and always trust and click OK, and perfect, we have connected. We need to go into mnt1/user/libexec. Now we need to find lockdown-d. So this file right here, we need to open iOS 5.6 activation. Just replace this file and click overwrite and click OK. And now we need to go back to terminal and type in chmod 755/mnt1/user/libexec/lockdown-d. Do not use sudo, it will not work. Perfect, and now we have committed the lockdown-d file. We can terminate, close FileZilla, we can reboot the device. And there we go, slide to setup. Let's set the device up. English, United Kingdom, why not? Let me connect to Wi-Fi, I am. And there we go, we have skipped the activation services and we can fully use our device. Set up as new iPad and skip this step, keep, agree, don't send, and start using iPad. And there we go, we are completely free of activation lock. We can do whatever we want, sideload IPAs, connect to App Store, connect to iCloud. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.